What's up? Today we're working on something different because the RX-7 is still at the shop. Before I got this car, didn't even know that they existed. A wagon from the 80s, lifted, and four-wheel drive. Why? I don't know, but apparently there's... How you doing, sir? Good, thanks. Yes, I'm actually about to start working on it and bring it in the driveway right now.
I just want to make sure
Yeah, no, I know it's not registered. I need to replace the master cylinder, and I can't leave it on the driveway because it leans. So, yeah, I'm aware. I'm sorry about that. Like,
just want to make sure everybody's going to stay there.
all right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Well, some police showed up because I have it in the front driveway and it's not registered. I mean, it's not in the driveway. It's in the road and it's not registered. I mean, you heard the conversation. You're really cool about it because I am going to have it in the driveway once I finish this new master cylinder. Here it is. It's heavy as hell. Don't understand. Weird AMC 80's shit. But here, I'm gonna show you the pedal really quick. Yeah, right to the floor. So pretty much replaced all the brake lines. The rear hard line, brand new right now. New cylinders for the drums. And we got brand new front rotors. So I'm guaranteeing that this bench bleed is gonna fix it. So I am really hoping that we are not gonna need to replace the brake booster too. You can. I'll take it off anyways because it'll get in the way. But there's a brand new carb on this thing. Starts right up. Didn't even think that would happen, but great. There we go. Do not know how I'm gonna get to that bolt. I mean, I can get to it, but it took an impact to get that loose, and there's not much room. It's a big yikes. Okay. Oh, hell yeah. All right, got that loose. So now I'm gonna get these lines loose too. Wow. Well, at least I can say I found the issue. Don't think it was the master cylinder. I think it was the line. And the bolt's still on there. Good old 80s cars. Oh, I'm so sad right now. I have no clue how I'll be able to replace that line. I guess I'll have to figure that out. Because look at all that shit back there. The line's running through, going over there. I think that's the line for the rear brakes. So the master's out. I'm gonna go ahead and bench bleed the new one, put it in. Boy, I don't see it doing anything with this snap. So there's a little bit of positive here. The line that snapped is actually very short. Shit, I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. But back behind there, oh yeah, you can see the little silver block. That, can't tell you the explanation, but pretty much it makes it to where I can remove that line and get it replaced. So I went ahead and just put the master on just so it looks prettier. I'm gonna have to deal with this line later. Just drive it. So I'm gonna attempt to put this in the driveway just using the parking brake and the transmission part because there's no brakes.